Welcome back to the channel. I thought you'd like a bit of a laugh on this one. This definitely belongs in the ridiculous fines folder. Leeds City Council has apologised after Craig Temple joked about one of his buses being snapped in a bus lane. A bus company owner has revealed that one of its buses was fined for stopping at a bus stop to pick up passengers in Leeds. Leeds City Council issued the ticket to Connections Buses, which was in a bus lane in York Road on October the 24th. Owner of the company, Craig Temple, joked, "Top marks to Leeds City Council here," as he shared the fine on social media. The full post reads, "Top marks to Leeds City Council here. The bus being fined for being in a bus lane is stopping at a bus stop to pick passengers up. Clearly the system doesn't work." The fine was eventually cancelled by the council, which makes you wonder how on earth was this ticket issued anyway? It's quite clearly a picture of a bus. So what do you think of this? Let us know in the comment section below. In the meantime, please give us a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.